Article 310.8 addresses locations exposed to direct sunlight. This section of the electrical code mandates that electrical conductors and equipment installed in areas subject to direct sunlight must be listed or marked as sunlight resistant. THHN, which stands for thermoplastic high heat resistant nylon insulation, is generally not listed or marked as sunlight resistant by Underwriters Laboratories or any other similar testing agency. Therefore, according to the code, THHN is not appropriate for applications where it will be consistently exposed to direct sunlight. There are alternatives to THHN that are specifically designed and listed as sunlight resistant. Examples of such conductors include THHW-2, which is cross-linked high heat resistant polyethylene THHN-2, also thermoplastic high heat resistant nylon but with specific sunlight resistance properties, RHH-2, which stands for rubber high heat resistant, and MV-105, which is moisture resistant vinyl. When selecting conductors for outdoor use, it is crucial to verify that they are explicitly labeled or listed as sunlight resistant to ensure compliance with electrical codes and safety standards. The long-term effects of sunlight on THHN can be detrimental. Even if THHN wires appear to withstand sunlight exposure for several years, this does not guarantee safety or code compliance. Continuous exposure to sunlight can lead to the degradation of the plastic insulation, making the wires more vulnerable to damage and increasing the risk of electrical hazards. This degradation can result in cracking, brittleness, and eventual failure of the insulation. To ensure electrical installations are both safe and compliant in areas exposed to direct sunlight, always use conductors that are listed or marked as sunlight resistant. Avoid using THHN in these conditions. Instead, choose alternatives such as XHHW-2, THHN-2, RHH-2, or MV-105. These materials are designed to withstand the harmful effects of ultraviolet radiation and maintain their integrity over time, reducing the likelihood of insulation failure and electrical hazards. Firstly, XHHW-2 is a popular choice for sunlight resistance due to its robust cross-linked polyethylene insulation. Secondly, THHN-2, while similar in name to THHN, includes additives that provide increased resistance to ultraviolet radiation. Thirdly, RHH-2, with its rubber insulation, offers flexibility and sunlight resistance. Fourthly, MV-105 provides moisture resistance alongside sunlight protection. The selection of the appropriate conductor also depends on other environmental factors such as moisture, temperature, and mechanical stress. Always consult local electrical codes and regulations to ensure that the chosen conductor meets all requirements for the specific installation environment. In summary, always prioritize the use of sunlight-resistant conductors in outdoor applications to avoid the potential hazards associated with using non-compliant materials like standard THHN. Proper selection ensures long-term reliability, safety, and compliance with electrical codes, preventing costly repairs and potential safety risks. Always refer to the specific product listings and markings to confirm that the chosen conductor is indeed rated for sunlight resistance. Additionally, it is beneficial to consult with a qualified electrician or electrical engineer to determine the most appropriate conductor for a given application, considering all relevant environmental factors and code requirements. In addition to selecting the correct wire type, proper installation practices are essential for ensuring long-term reliability and safety of electrical systems in outdoor environments. Firstly, use appropriate fittings and connectors that are designed for outdoor use and are resistant to corrosion and water ingress. Secondly, protect conductors from physical damage by using conduit or other protective measures where necessary. Thirdly, ensure that all connections are properly made and tightened to prevent loose connections, which can lead to overheating and electrical hazards. Fourthly, regularly inspect outdoor electrical installations for signs of damage or deterioration such as cracked or brittle insulation, corroded connectors, or loose fittings. Fifthly, address any issues promptly to prevent them from escalating into more serious problems. Furthermore, consider the environmental conditions specific to the installation location when selecting conductors and installation methods. For example, In coastal areas, salt spray can accelerate corrosion, so it is important to use materials that are resistant to salt and moisture. In areas with extreme temperature variations, choose conductors that can withstand both high and low temperatures without degrading. Additionally, consider the potential for exposure to chemicals or other contaminants that could damage the insulation. To further enhance the safety and reliability of outdoor electrical installations, consider implementing additional protective measures such as surge protection devices, ground fault circuit interrupters, and arc fault circuit interrupters. These devices can help to protect against electrical surges, ground faults, and arc faults, which can all pose significant safety hazards. Regularly test these devices to ensure that they are functioning properly. In addition to following code requirements and best practices, it is also important to educate yourself about electrical safety and to be aware of the potential hazards associated with electricity. Never attempt to perform electrical work unless you are properly trained and qualified. Always de-energize circuits before working on them and use appropriate safety equipment such as insulated tools and personal protective equipment. If you are unsure about any aspect of electrical work, consult with a qualified electrician. By taking these precautions, you can help to ensure the safety of yourself and others and prevent electrical accidents. When dealing with electrical installations, it is always better to err on the side of caution and to seek professional assistance when needed. Electricity is a powerful force that can be dangerous if not handled properly. By following code requirements, using appropriate materials and installation methods, and educating yourself about electrical safety, you can help to ensure that your electrical installations are safe, reliable, and compliant with applicable regulations. Remember that electrical codes and regulations are constantly evolving, so it is important to stay up to date on the latest requirements. Consult with local authorities and industry experts to ensure that your electrical installations meet all applicable standards. By taking a proactive approach to electrical safety, you can help to prevent accidents and protect your property and loved ones. In conclusion, while THHN is a versatile and commonly used conductor for many indoor electrical applications, it is not suitable for direct sunlight exposure. Always use sunlight-resistant conductors such as XHHW-2, THHN-2, or HH-2, or MV-105 for outdoor installations to ensure safety, code compliance, and long-term reliability. Remember to follow all applicable electrical codes and regulations and consult with qualified professionals when needed.